What is that, Addie? What is that?
This one.
Is that an apple?
Yeah.
No. What is it? It's orange. It's a pumpkin.
Okay.
And when you go trick-or-treating, what are people going to put in there? They're going to give you candy. And look, it has your name on it. Addison. It's a smiley face.
My face.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
You like it?
Look at that.
And that one is for Sissy, too. Sissy has one with her name. So when she goes trick-or-treating, she has one, too.
Addie.
No, this one's Sophie's.
Puppy.
That one's Addie's. What do you say to Grandma, Grandpa? Look at the camera. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Here you go, Papa. I want to see. I want to see.
You want to see the video? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Love you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Addie. Oh, see. Addie.